Hi, this is Dylan Code with the California Superbike School. We're doing a quick video talking about wrist position or hand position on the handlebars, and really the overall topic or what this is centered around is comfort and control. And a lot of that has to do with alignment of the wrist. And if you take the idea of keeping your wrist in alignment, that's going to actually make a lot of sense with what I'm about to tell you. But first, I'd like you to do something while you're watching this. Take your arm, keep your wrist straight, make a strong fist. That should be fine, right? Then what I'd like you to do is tilt your hand forward, try and make a strong fist, backward, try and make a strong fist, one side or the other. You'll notice that the strength diminishes. Now, there's one point of having diminished strength, and there's another point of having control and also sensitivity and feeling. You'll notice that the control, sensitivity, feeling is best when the wrist is in alignment. So when you're riding, particularly hung off on the right side, and it's interesting to note that most riders say they don't prefer rights over lefts, and I'm not exactly sure why that would be, but one possibility or one aspect to that could be their wrist position when they're holding the throttle. So you'll find that if you want to have your wrist in alignment, particularly when hanging off, you're going to have to hold the throttle slightly different than your normal upright riding position, which would be something like this. When you start hanging off, the wrist can get in a sort of an uncomfortable angle. Holding it more like a screwdriver or like turning a key will keep that wrist in alignment and give you more feeling, control, and comfort. It's a pretty basic idea, but I wanted to give you the underlying information with regard to the alignment of the wrist and how that all fits together.